Guys, sorry. It's just that I'm not a happy man now. I don't really feel happy. It's this is too hard, and this is too big to be true. I don't know what to say, but I'm short of words. Anna, it's not easy. Oh. It's not easy to be a man because happiness is one of the things that make a man to be lively. So things that make you unhappy most of the times worries the soul. I'm not trying to be emotional, but something is really worrying me, and all I can say is that I don't really feel happy about this. It means sharing you cry. Ole, maybe you come I think it's high time we the youth have to be we have to be clear and always know what is right to be done. Ole, but I'm making a point, I'll come there. All that I'm trying to say is that things are hard, things are very difficult, and if you're a man, it's the most difficult times for you because there are no jobs, there are no vacancies, like lack of opportunities. It's only whom you know, and then whom you know too has become some way. Why am I saying all this? At the end of the day, we end up blaming the government, putting pressure on the government. But what are we as individuals also doing? When me uncle and when mini will feel, mini what feel when yake keji one nation no wabapo wa imode work be wahi ke hani no kwa jeje neighbor. Ole mene kanye bagba saneni kanye bagba iba ngomi na wa ake. You'll be able to watch this video to the end and also try your best and share it with someone. I think it's high time we have to speak some kind of wisdom to people's head. Nyele no neighbor. Ole wonyemi yo ne naturally nanaba anamwa. I think you all know her. H1 and GH1 biane. Keji you follow le. When I can be a son, sometimes can drive. Ibana mekume gbeno. Keka me basani. Keke invite me. Keka me by office. Keka me basani. If a video. Make me work will graduate Giami. I'm a benuchumo, a me. Then from her good heart, Eba try everything. She will try everything to help all these youths that she encounter with. She try all her best to go to that extent of helping people and even like recommending them to other people. This any walk your park a driving a boy cook when a boy graduating by officer and then to God be the glory. Any guy never nanuchumo like me pee back and nuchumo pee and then but only no neighbor. When a post noko, she has posted something on her page which I would like to share with you guys and also share my thoughts with you or anyone that is watching me. In Kenya, you may wear no one you are get no want no get no want also no get. Ishishiji money in tao na the money in tao buale. You get it? The one that is searching for is not getting. And the one that is not searching for the thing, the opportunities are there for them and they are not making good use of it. Let me read this. So, this is what the person wrote to Nanaba. I see, Nanaba, how are you doing? The gentleman you made me recruit from your Twitter DM has been stealing from me. Wow, look. But then check more. People are looking for job. People are trying all their best to be fixed somewhere, to be able to work and also get money. You that you have gotten the recommendation and you are working, you are also stealing from the person. Are you not wicked? What kind of evil thought is this? What kind of evil character is this? This is pure wickedness. If someone has employed you, you are not getting work and other people are trying to get job to do and you have gotten it and you are being paid to, you are stealing. On top of it, he teamed up with two of his colleagues and stole close to 100,000 Ghana cedis from my business. Hey. Many generation. What kind of generation are we in now? Sometimes I don't know. You see, sometimes I ask myself that who are we to blame? To blame the person, or are we to blame the home he or she is coming from, or are we to blame the friends that he moves with? Because how can you be employed and then after some months you team up with some people and you start stealing and you've stolen close to 100,000? You let me read the story finish and then we'll talk. Despite the lack of vacancy, I recruited this guy because you sounded emotional about his situation on the phone. For someone earning, guys, I want you to listen. For someone earning 45,000 net, I expected him to be focused to make you and his mom proud. Ona, o mami tahiko, e solea habo, e ve no fiano de hiabo, on opportunity to oju. This is unacceptable. I love you, but I got him and his colleague arrested this morning. Have a great Friday. He was arrested. There are a lot of graduates out there that are looking for just small opportunity. Small opportunity. And people get opportunity, then they misuse it. What is happening? What I just don't understand. Only if you are watching me, please, I beg of you, I want you to tell me, what do you think is this problem that is going on among these youth? You see, because of this kind of behaviors and attitude among the youth, especially this generation, it's like no one wants to help anybody again. Nana Ba said she is very disappointed and she is ashamed. You see, come on. We are shouting, fix the country, fix the country, fix the country. Yes, we know the country needs to be fixed. But do you get it? So if we are shouting, fix the country, how are we fixing ourselves? How are we fixing ourselves? Are we fixing ourselves with this kind of greediness, this kind of evil behavior and character, bad character? Even people, the other time I was sharing with someone, and I was telling the person that who in his right sense will stand or be in his room, not even in the bedroom, but living room, and drink a pure water sachet and throw the sachet in the living room? No, never. You can answer. You ask yourself, who will do that? Nobody on this earth will drink pure water in his living room and then throw it in the middle of the living room. He or she will walk to find the bin and drops it in. But let him go outside, let him step out of his house and buy a pure water. He will drink it and drop it in the middle of the road. What kind of Ghanaians are we? What are we doing? The love of the country is not in us. We don't trust ourselves. The part that really upset me a lot is that your own friend will come to you, you borrow him money or you borrow her money, and now collecting the money will become an issue. What are we doing to ourselves? See, let me tell you, I've been preaching this thing and telling people around me that let's forget about the government and let's start helping ourselves. Me, this is what I do. I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer, I call myself a filmmaker. I have a drone, I fly for people, I use drones in my videos, so I'm a drone pilot, people hire my service. I'm a content creator. If you need content, I can help you to create content, come up with idea and shoot for you. So imagine all of my friends are able to purchase my services. Won't I progress? And won't any of my friends looking for loan, won't I be able to help the person out? Support in business, I can't give you a loan without interest. This your friend is here, he can do this thing. In a job, let me call these friends, let's come together, let's go and execute the job, and everybody gets their pay. You see, we are the one killing ourselves. I always say that we are the ones killing ourselves and not the government. The government is trying their best. The government is trying the best they can. They are there, at least they are not sleeping. They are doing something. Although we all expect them to do more, but at least they are also doing something. But what about us, the citizens? The most annoying thing about this thing is a lot of us call ourselves Christians. I stand to be corrected, but ke ake mane akane waye ka ajami 100% oha ikba jik mene atwa me Christo fui. Out of the 100, 70% or 60% are Christians of this nation. But yes, still we calling ourselves Christians. Where are our values? Where is the things that the Bible teaches us? But how do we portray ourselves as Christians? And we'll be there, the leaders are corrupt. But you go there, you also go and do the same thing. You help a friend. Let's say, okay, for example, maybe I'm looking for a laptop to buy, and I tell my friends, oh, Charlie, I need a laptop. So in case you get to know of someone selling, let me know. And then you lead me to someone who is selling it. After I'm if I'm able to buy the thing, you also add your share to it in the name of business. Why are we killing ourselves? Why are we killing ourselves? You see, this thing really got to me this morning so much that I didn't know what to do. And I sat down and I started thinking, and I started asking myself, why are all these things happening in this country, especially among these youths? Bad character, we don't have manners, we don't respect, we don't know the right thing to do, we are taking things anyhow, we come on social media, we make utterances, make things in the name of joking. Like, there's no seriousness. There's no seriousness among the youth, though. There's no seriousness. You see, Nanaba said, I'm so ashamed. This is unfair to me. I don't deserve this. I'm so done. She is done. Do you think she would ever do any good to anybody again? She won't. Because at least think about the person who gave you that opportunity. Make that person proud. Think about that door that was hoping to you. Anything that you do to close that door will also affect other people. Can't you think that this bad character thing that you are doing, whatever that happens, you are closing the door of other people because you've gone there to mess up the opportunity. Taflache obenile obejomake no no fi on a car amoboe obaya jail and olake this is not a good character. Think about your mother. It could even be that you are the breadwinner of your family. See what the shame you've brought to your family. I'm so sad. It's so bad. It's so bad. I just don't know what to say. Please, my advice to the youth out there, let's be one. Let's forget about this government issue and thing. Let's leave them. Everybody have their part to play in this country. My name is Nuoyo. Mofiamo yegbena. Ke nujibu oyogbena. Ke yojibu oyogbena. Wekumi na fobo. You have a responsibility in your family. You have a responsibility towards your friends. You have a responsibility towards the country itself. So wherever you find yourself, find that responsibility you are supposed to execute and then perform them. So just imagine if we are all doing these things, wouldn't Ghana be a better place for us to live? These are some of the things that, you know, I sometimes I have encounter with a lot of black Americans, sisters and brothers from the other side, and these are some of the bitter things that they complain. You give someone work, they will delay the work, they won't do correct work, they will give you a shoddy work, they will overcharge you, and if you are not careful, they will steal your money. A lot of people from outside have given money to people to build houses for them. They've chopped the money. A lot of people have given money to people to help them acquire lands. They've chopped the money. How can the youth of Ghana prosper if we have this kind of barbaric attitude, this kind of devilish character in us? And at the end of the day, we call ourselves Christians, and then you go to work, you are being paid every month, you steal the money, and then at the end of the day, you go to church and give offering and tithe. Are you not digging a big pit for your own self? Please, I beg whoever that is watching this video, guys, let's have one voice, let's have one mindset, let's help each other among your friends. Whatever that you trade in, help yourself, buy from your friends, you know, help your friends to start a business. If your friend is starting a business, help them. You don't, some of the help, you don't really need money to put into their business, like maybe sharing their videos, sharing their pictures, sharing their artwork, supporting them. Just pick one day, write some nice notes or a write-up about the person in the name of marketing the person. Push them. You have a lot of followers on Facebook, Instagram. Share their work, talk about them, recommend them. It's not easy. It's not easy to be an entrepreneur. Sometimes your life is very lonely. So why will you get an opportunity like this and go and steal 100,000, which you are being paid 4,500 as net, 4,500 as net, and stealing 100,000? Guys, I think I've talked too much and past my time, but please forgive me. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And if you have any suggestion, we'll find a call or your Jomoko Chomo. Hello, you need to share. We'll find a comment more in the comment section there below. Ni o like video no share. Oh no. And you're sure I can more fair money back with video ne. We'll pick one or two things from this video. So thank you, and until then I'll come your way with another news and also come and talk to you guys. I love you so much. Thank you. See ya.